dokie! Now that we have reviewed and sang the thermometer song, it's time to get to work on your Google Slide assignment. Watch this teacher video to read thermometers and record the temperature in degrees. We've got to use the correct symbol and measure temperature in Fahrenheit. Here you can see we'll have 2 thermometers to practice with the teacher. Hey, then you are on your own to do 3, 4, 5, and 6. 4 more thermometers on your own. You can do it. Once you've completed your thermometers, here comes our weather table to complete the line of day number 4. Let's go get started. I've got my tablet here ready so you can see the exact steps and be successful with your assignment today. We're going to click our pen to edit this slide. I'll turn it sideways so I can have a bigger and better view. Now, arrow over. Remember the thermometer. We're ready to read them. Practice with the teacher. Let's do these 2 together. Remember, 2 fingers help you to zoom and see closer up these thermometer numbers. What is the temperature? Here's our mercury. It has come all the way up to, we've got to read this number and record it on the tree. So I'm going to change my color. How about red? The teacher should be able to read that easy peasy. Now, little zoom again. We're going to have our F up top. We're in Fahrenheit. Let's start from the bottom and go up, 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 up. Where does the liquid stop today? Count with me by tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Copy that number over in our white square. 70. 70 what? Degrees. Just like you see up top on our thermometer, we need this little circle symbol to mean degrees. Also here up top to remind you, degrees of what? Fahrenheit. You must add the letter F, capital F today, on your temperatures to receive full points of your credit. Now, check your work. Our liquid's up to 70. Here's the number 70, degrees F, degrees F. We've done our first thermometer together. 2 finger pinch, moving over to thermometer 2. Let's start at the bottom, counting by tens, and read this temperature. Are you ready? Here we go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here I go, copying that number, 5, 0. Check up top. What are we talking about? 50 what today? Degrees Fahrenheit. Check your work. Do you agree? Did I get it right? Check my other thermometer. Do you agree? Did I get it right? Now it is your turn to continue on to thermometer 3, 4, 5, and 6. Use your fingers. Pinch and zoom. Pinch and zoom. Pinch and zoom. Do not forget to include that degree symbol and letter F for Fahrenheit. When you have filled in 4 more thermometers, you know what to do here. I'll complete mine so you can see what's the weather like today. It is 30 degrees Fahrenheit. It is mostly cloudy. Freeze warning. And does it say anything about the wind? Nope. I can check the trees and the flags outside for that. Here I've got cloudy day 4, icy day 4, calm on my day 4, and 30 degrees is very, very cold. Make sure you complete your 2 temperatures with me. 4 more thermometers on your own, your weather graph for day 4. Once you have completed all of these things, you're ready to click Save. Wait to load all of your work. X out on the top. I love to check my edited slide and make sure I'm turning in my best work to my teacher. X out one more time, turn in, yes ma'am, Google turn it in. Nice job reading the thermometer with me in degrees, my meteorologists. Don't forget, take your time, count by tens, use your symbol and your labels on each temperature. Awesome blossoms and adios!